Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up the fingerprint display on a Vivo phones. So here, what you need to do first is going to the settings app on your phone. So tap on settings and you can just scroll down until you find the security options. Tap on that and then scroll down again and you can see the fingerprint. So if you want to set it up, you can just click on this fingerprint, and then here you need to enter your phone or your mobile pin in here, and after that you can tap on enter and you'll see this is the fingerprint. So I'm using fingerprint as the unlock method. So here, if you want to set up a fingerprint, you can click on this add fingerprint. So in here, I'm going to give you some tip first for using the fingerprint display on a Vivo phone. First, before adding a fingerprint, you need to make sure that you use your dominant finger to record your fingerprint, and make sure that your finger and the fingerprint icon or icon area are clean and dry. And you can just press down on the screen or on the fingerprint area slightly and cover the fingerprint icon completely. So let's try to add a fingerprint. Here you can just register it. You can place your finger on the fingerprint scanner. So in this case, my phone is at the side of my phone. In here you can tap on start enrollment and then just choose the finger that you want to record. For example, here you can just cover the fingerprint icon completely, just like this, until all of the fingerprints are covered. Okay, after all of this are covered, just like this, you can tap on done, and just like that, the fingerprint has been set up, and you can use it to as your unlock method. So here you can also verify your fingerprint here by clicking on verify, and this is the list of my verified fingerprint. So what if the fingerprint settings option is missing on your phone? You can try to update or check for any software update. So if your phone needs updates, that means you need to update it as soon as possible. And also after you doing the software update, you can check if the fingerprint sensor is working or not. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.